Almost every app you'll run needs to send email, a password reset, a receipt, a welcome note. But fire it straight from a random server, and most of it lands in spam or bounces. Let's fix that properly. Make your own domain a trusted sender, so mail from no reply at your domain actually reaches inboxes. Two things make mail trusted. We won't run a mail server, those just get blocked. Instead, we use a proven sending service with a good reputation at Gmail and Outlook, then add a few small DNS records, SPF, DKIM, DMARC, that are your domain vouching. Yes, this service is allowed to send as me. Server Manager writes them for you. I open the Actions menu, and under Connect Your Domain and Email, right next to the receiving one, there's Send Email from Your Domain. Step 1. The service. Server Manager uses Resend, a modern API with a genuinely generous free tier, 100 emails a day at no cost, which covers most small apps entirely. More providers are coming, but Resend's the default, so I continue. It needs a key from Resend to act on my behalf. So I pop over to resend.com, sign up, it's free, open API keys, and create one with full access. Resend shows the value once, so I copy it. As always, you'd never normally show a key on screen. I'm relaxed only because I'll delete this one right after. Back in the wizard, I paste that key and confirm the domain I'm sending from, the one I already set up. The key never touches the server's disk. It's used right here over HTTPS. I click Continue, and Server Manager registers my domain with Resend. Now, the clever bit. Resend hands back the exact records my domain needs, the SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, and instead of me copy-pasting each one into DNS by hand, Server Manager writes them. It just needs a Cloudflare token that can edit this domain's DNS. The wizard spells out how. I create one from the Edit Zone DNS template, lock it to this single domain, and paste it back, and it writes every record at once. The records are in. Now Resend just has to see them and confirm. DNS takes a minute or few to spread, and Check Now asks Resend to look right away. I could close this and come back later, but I'll wait it out. And there it is. Verified. My domain is now a trusted sender. Records live, Resend happy. And right here it shows exactly how an app uses it. A tiny API call with from set to any address at my domain. That's the whole point. Any app I deploy can now send real, trusted email as me. Let's prove it. I send one message as no reply at my domain to my personal inbox, switch over, and there it is, from my own domain, sitting in the inbox. The first mail from a brand new sender can land in spam, so I check there and mark it not spam. From here on, that's real email your users will actually receive. So now, your domain sends as well as it looks. Every app you deploy here can plug into this with a few lines, and the free tier carries most projects a long way. This was the sending half. Pair it with receive email at your domain, and your domain both sends and receives all set up from right here. No mail server in sight.